Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Landscape TV here, and for today's video, we're gonna do a try-on unboxing tayo. So yes, we have our items here from Shein again, guys. So are you ready? Alright, before we start with this video, let me tell you first, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then you will be updated every time we have a new video. So yes, we have underwear here that I bought in Shein. Yes, so this is a leopard print, mga love. So this is my first time to have a leopard leopard print like this, mga love. So yeah, let's gonna open this. I opened already, but I haven't tried on in front with you guys. I haven't wear. So yeah. So here comes the two items here that I haven't tried, guys. So yeah, let's try on with you. So I will gonna open this first. Okay, so this is an underwear again, ha, mga love. So another collection underwear po tayo. Are you ready, darling? So yes, let's gonna open this first. Look at this, my gosh. It's just like, I don't know if it's a big for me or pero pwede siyang i-adjust dito. Can adjust it. Look at this, guys. Here. Ang maganda dito is not what do you call that? Plastic here. So ito yung gusto ko dito, hindi siya easy to break, right? Kung may plastic, lang siya, madali lang siyang, alam mo na. So we need to use hand also when it's going to wash, right? Kasi para hindi siya madaling masira yung ganun. So, kailangan ng care. Hand wash na lang kung pwede, diba? Pero ako, minsan tinatamad ako and then lagay lang ako sa washing machine. So, it's just like this, guys. It's so cute. Did you see this? So, pwede siyang i-adjust dito, mga love. Pwede pala siyang i-adjust. Hindi ko alam kung sakto ba yung lapad. Yung lapad niya dito sa niya. Alam niyo na, yung dito sa harap. So, yes, just like this, guys. Maganda siya kasi tibak. Look at this. So, this is a medium size, mga love. Ayan, this is a medium size. I always order medium size. Yeah. So, just like this. Wala siyang kakeme-keme. Dito lang yung attractive sa kanya, syempre. Dito banda yung string niya dito. Oh my gosh. So, pwede siyang hila-hilain. Pwede siya sapat. Kasi stretchable naman siya. It's stretchable. So, let's gonna try it, love.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
And here my honestly review, loves. So dito, hindi ako masyadong happy dito kasi maybe if I take a small one and then the small one better for my size. Maybe. Yeah, kasi medium to and I always take medium. Pero this underwear that I take medium is a little bit big on my back, guys. You know, my bottoms side on my, and this underwear namin. So, yon malaki or mahaba. Kumbaga yung ano niya, yung pagka tibak niya doon sa likod. So, yan na. Marang loy-loy siya, kumbaga. And yung sa harap naman, okay lang naman. So, here we go. Jump into the second one, darling. So, here is the second. Parang mas bet ko ito, darling. Parang mas bet ko kasi mayroon siyang red. It mixed with red. Like this, guys. So, ang cute niya lang kasi may pagka, here are a heart design. Look at this, guys. It's so cute, diba? So, like this, the bottoms. And also the back, not back, front is like this. Have a little bow things here. Ayan. Diba? Ang cute. And it is also a string here. Stretchable siya. Gusto ko to. It's like comfortable to wear also, guys. Ayan. And also the garments, the material of this underwear, ano siya, soft and cotton yung material niya, like that. So this is a medium size also, guys. Here, it's a medium size. So what are we waiting for? Try it na! Oh, this is nice than the other one, loves. Mas maganda ito kaysa yung isa. Yan, yung fit niya sa akin. Yes. Yung design niya dito sa bed kasi may heart here on the back side.
A butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
So, this dress also, it's from Shein, guys. So, it's so budget friendly and it's low what do you call that? Luxury yung ano niya, yung printed niya, diba? Yung design niya, ano niya, parang napaka niya, high standard. So, na-haul ko na rin ito, na-unboxing ko na rin sa iba nating video, guys, nito dress na to. Kayo, anong bet ninyo sa dalawa nating try on today, guys? Ako is number 2 kasi it's more comfortable siyang isuot para sa akin. Yeah. Although yung first one is ano siya, mahaba lang yung bottoms niya, guys, dito. Pero okay siya. Mahaba yung bottom niya. Pati yung quality ng material niya is okay. Mahaba lang siya sa akin. Siguro if I take small, pak na pak yung fit niya sa akin. So yeah, it's budget friendly lang. Order na kayo. Sa Shein to. Bye-bye! See you next time to my next video, guys. Thank you so much for your time again. Bye!